Hello everybody, this is going to be a test of my newly wired pull station. And I also have a new surprise. My Wheelock DV200 is finally operational and hooked up to another panel, my fire shield, running off the relay, which I'll show to you in a minute. And I also got something for my keys, finally. A pull chain. So I have all my fire alarm keys hooked up to this chain. And I'm going to start the new test. So I'm going to take my keys off. I'll fire with the same key for this for these. I'm gonna hook this in here, and then I'm just gonna pull it. Hopefully it will work.
Attention! Attention! An emergency has been
And of course it
reported
works.
in this building. Please
So I'm gonna reset it now.
and leave the building utilizing the nearest exit or fire exit stairway. Do not use elevators. Repeat, do not use
The key always gets stuck in there.
Attention! An emergency has been reported in this building. Please cease operations and leave the building utilizing the nearest exit or fire exit stairway. Do not use elevators. Repeat.
There's the Wheelock
do not use
DV200.
elevators.
Now I'm gonna reset the panel. As usual, it will be a while before the trouble goes off. And let me show you the relay. This wire right here goes to the alarm relay right here, and then it goes all the way down to the DV200. There's poor lighting conditions in here, so you might not be able to see it. And it goes into, if I can get the light, right there where the red and yellow wires are, into the dry contact where it activates the panel, the message. So yeah, and I moved more stuff up here, a new computer, and if I can get this, I got this a while ago. A SIGA PS, a photoelectric smoke detector. I'm still waiting for 20 smoke detectors still coming, and I got 20 bases coming as well. So I'm waiting for those to get here. And the guy also said he was shipping some more bases, more than 20 to me, just as a compliment. So I'm hoping he does that for me so I can get a base for that smoke detector. And put that box right there. And I still got those not smoke detectors, but these pull stations, which I'm not going to use. I might use them in the future, but they're not EST, so I might not hook them up. I'm going to close the DV200. Well, it's getting colder in here now because summer is ending, fall has officially begun, so I'm going to be up here more often because I'm not sweating as much. So, yeah. I might change the evacuation message. So, next video it might be different. So, thanks for watching.